Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for today's highly requested video. So today we are talking about the GHD Rise. I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this tool, as well as if I think it's worth your money or not. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. If you are not subscribed yet, please make sure that you are doing so down below. Hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos on anything from beauty reviews, Amazon favorites, fashion, anything like that. So if that interests you, please make sure that you are subscribing below. I would love to have you join the fam. So if you have not heard of the GHD Rise before, it is a volumizing hot brush and it is designed for use on dry hair only. So it is not to be confused with the Revlon blow dryer, Revlon one-step blow dryer that dries your hair as well as volumizes it and styles it at the same time. That is not this. You only can use this on dry hair. So this tool is meant to give lots of volume, lots of curl, lots of body. It uses smart ultrazone technology that guarantees the barrel will heat evenly to 365 degrees. So one thing that you should know about the GHD is that there is only one button, and this is the on or off button. There is no temperature setting, so there's no adjusting it. Some people like that, some people don't. But 365 is what GHD says is the best temperature for styling your hair and not getting too hot where you're damaging your hair. However, it heats up to the full 365 degrees in 25 seconds. It is fast, and when it heats up, it sounds like this. So that's when you know it's reached the max temperature and it's ready to use. It also has a safety feature that will turn it off after 30 minutes of it being on. So you don't have to worry about running out the house and forgetting to turn it off. The barrel itself is 1 1/4 inch and the bristles are 0.5 centimeters. It also features an 8.8 foot swivel cord that's convenient for styling. It has a soft stand to protect surfaces and also prevent damage to the bristles. And it has a cool tip which makes it a lot easier to hold onto the tool when you're styling your hair. Okay, so first and foremost, I really do love the way that the GHD Rise styles my hair. It's what I use today to style my hair. I actually just did a tutorial on this style right here, so if you're interested in that, I will leave it linked down below. And depending on when you watch this video, I'll also be doing a head-to-head comparison with the GHD Rise and the Conair hot brush and comparing the two. So that's either coming, or if it's already been filmed, then I will put it down in the description box as well. So I do love the way my hair looks every time I use this tool, and it's a very effortless looking style. However, there is a major learning curve, at least for me. When I was using this, it was very hard to figure out what I was really supposed to be doing with it, and kind of found a way that works for me. But there's definitely a learning curve, and it's definitely takes some practice to get used to it. And for me, I like easy hair tools. So that's a downfall. Also, when I do style my hair using this tool, it takes me a lot longer than if I were to use, say, my curling wand. And so that makes me not reach for it as much because I don't always have the time to be spending on my hair. Also, another problem that I had with it is the fact that it would get stuck in my hair at least once when I was doing it. So it's not as bad. If you've seen my Conair hot brush review, you'll know that one got stuck in my hair a lot. This one, not so much. It is much better, I think, because the bristles are shorter, but it still happens. So sometimes I felt like I was kind of damaging my hair by having to tug at my hair to get it to glide down. So I didn't like that either. But the tool itself is just extremely well made. It's a very beautiful tool. It's very sleek design. I love the fact that it heats up in 25 seconds. Like, it takes no time at all. You can tell it's definitely a high quality tool. But for $189, it better be a high quality tool. I mean, that's expensive. So I would definitely be giving this a negative review if it wasn't a high quality tool. So I think it really depends on just how much you are planning on using this tool. So if you are using it every single day and it's mainly the only thing that you're using to style your hair, then I would definitely recommend going for a more expensive one, and I think this one would be a great option. However, for me personally, because it takes me longer to do my hair using this tool, and I still kind of struggle with the style that I'm going for, I just don't think that this is worth $189 if you're only going to be using it every once in a while, because I think that the style, although very pretty, I think you can get a very similar style using different tools. So yeah, I think it's good, but it's not great, and I need it to be great for $189. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure that you are subscribing below so that you know when I post the GHD Conair, which the Conair one is much, much, much cheaper. So we'll compare the two and we'll see if maybe that one would be a better option for you. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below if you have any questions and I will answer them for you. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!